Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something a lot of you have been asking about, Rocket Mortgage in 2025. Is it a legit way to get a mortgage, or is it just another too good to be true scheme? Let's break it down. First off, Rocket Mortgage is one of the biggest names in the US mortgage scene. You might remember Quicken Loans. That's the same company, just rebranded as Rocket. One of the main reasons people love them is how streamlined the process is. If you're comfortable doing things online, you can apply, upload documents, and track your mortgage entirely from your phone or laptop. No long phone calls unless you really want to talk to someone. They also offer some low down payment options. For first time buyers or anyone with limited savings, there's even a program where you could put down as little as 1%. That's a huge advantage if you're trying to get into a home without draining your savings. But here's the flip side. Some customers have reported that interest rates can be higher than what other lenders offer, meaning you might end up paying more over time. A few also mentioned that certain fees weren't clearly explained upfront, which can lead to surprises at closing. And customer service? It's a mixed bag. Some people rave about it. Others say it's frustrating and hard to get clear updates. Now, it's important to note there have been some legal issues recently. Rocket's real estate arm, Rocket Homes, has been named in a lawsuit by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau for allegedly steering clients toward their own mortgage services. There's also a Department of Justice lawsuit alleging racial disparities in home appraisals. Rocket denies the claims, and both cases are still ongoing. These don't define every customer's experience, but they're worth being aware of. So, is Rocket Mortgage a scam? Absolutely not. It's a legitimate, licensed lender serving millions of customers. But like any big company, your experience may vary. If you like tech-driven processes and doing things online, Rocket could be a good fit. But always compare rates, ask about fees, and read the fine print before committing. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop your questions or experiences with Rocket Mortgage in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.